Hi boys and girls. This week in science we're continuing to talk about the solar system, and we're going to read this book called Exploring Space, the Solar System. Let's go. The solar system is the sun and all the objects that move around it. So that's the first important thing. The solar system has the sun in the middle and it doesn't move, but everything around it does. Everything around it is always in motion, and we are right there. That's us, and there's our moon going around us. Well, we're going around the sun. And these lines are just kind of imaginary lines, but they show the pathway that the planets go around the sun. Isn't that cool? This one's really close to the sun. It'd be super hot there. If we were any closer, it would be way too hot to live here. I can see Saturn right there. The sun is a star that gives off light and heat. It is the largest object in the solar system. The sun's gravity is strong. It pulls on the surrounding objects so they do not move away. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Each planet travels around the sun in its own orbit. So these imaginary lines are the orbits of the planets. All right, there we are again. Mercury is a rocky planet that moves fast. It zooms through space at 104,000 miles or 167,000 kilometers per hour. Wow. There's Mercury. Venus is the planet with the hottest surface. It has a thick atmosphere that holds in the sun's heat. Wow, wouldn't want to live there. Earth is just the right distance from the sun. It is not too hot or too cold. People, animals, and plants can live on Earth. There we are, our home, Earth. Mars is a cold red-brown planet. It has plains and canyons. Melted rock called lava once flowed from the planet's huge volcanoes. Would you want to go to Mars? They're working on it. They're working on heading to Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the planets furthest from the sun. These giant cold planets are made of gases. Here they are. Rings made of rocks, dust, and ice circle each of the giant gas planets. Dwarf planets are smaller than planets and share their orbits with other objects: Eris, Pluto, and Ceres. Eris, Pluto, and Ceres are some of the dwarf planets in the solar system. They are made of rock and ice. Would you want to go there? A long ways away from the sun, a long ways from us. Moons are objects that travel around planets and dwarf planets. Earth's moon is one of more than 300 moons in the solar system. There, this label says the moon. There we are, and we're right about here in North Texas, right up there, Fort Worth. Millions of asteroids circle the sun between Mars and Jupiter. These large space rocks can be hundreds of miles wide. Comets make long, oval orbits around the sun. These small balls of ice and dust have glowing tails of gases when they are near the sun. Pieces of asteroids and comets are called meteoroids. Meteoroids that reach Earth heat up and glow as they fall through the atmosphere. There's a meteoroid. It's heating up, you can tell right at the leading edge of it. Astronomers use powerful space telescopes. There's a picture. The label says Space Telescope. The telescopes can take pictures of objects beyond our solar system. Wow, those look pretty high tech. Astronomers are searching for other solar systems. They hope to find a planet like Earth. All right, boys and girls, thank you for taking this journey with me through an interesting topic of the solar system. We'll see you soon.